Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to number and renumber beam elements. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. Click on Members in the status bar to turn on the member labels. Initially, member numbers are set as member labels. We can set these beam numbers in a sequence of B1, B2 by clicking on Renumber Beams button. If a beam has more than one members in it, we should remove unwanted beam labels from that beam. Let us see how to remove member labels. Click on Label Member button. Right-click on Member. Right-click on all required members. Now, some beam numbers are missing in the sequence of beam numbers. We can set the beam numbers in a sequence of B1, B2 again by clicking on Renumber Beams button. As we can see, all the beams are renumbered in the required sequence again. We can use this procedure anytime when required. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.